These puzzles are called X puzzles or diamond problems, same thing. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do them really quick, and then you're going to have a chance to try some out. So here's how it works. The top cell contains the product. Now remember, product means multiplication, right? Product means multiplication. So the top cell, this is going to be the product of these two numbers. Okay, it's going to be the product of these two numbers. All right, so I'm going to multiply them together to get the top. Now, the bottom is the sum. Now, sum means add. So for the bottom, I'm going to add the two numbers together. So this is what it looks like. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, so these two numbers get multiplied together for the top and added together for the bottom. Okay, 8 times 6 is 48, right? Multiplying. 8 plus 6 is 14. Okay, so that's the rules. Now, the rules don't change if you're given different numbers, right? So it's still, the rule is still that you take these two numbers, right, and you multiply them to get to the top. So now you have to ask yourself, okay, 4 times what equals 20? 4 times what equals 20? And hopefully you say, oh, okay, let's see, 4 times 5 equals 20. Okay, and then still the bottom, right, has to be the sum. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay, let's continue. The bottom is the sum, the top is a product. So here I'm asking myself, 5 plus what number? 5 plus what number is 6, right? Because the bottom is the sum. So 5 plus what number is 6? 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. And now I'm going to do the product, right? That's 5 times 1, which is 5. Okay? Now, one more type you might get. Now again, the rules don't change. So remember, it's these two numbers have to multiply to get the top, and add to get the bottom, right? This is the product on the top, multiply, and the sum on the bottom, add. So here, I need to think of two numbers that multiply to 27, and add to 12. So can you think of two numbers that multiply to 27 and add to 12? Like 9 and 3. Okay, and you have to kind of know your multiplication tables here, right? 9 times 3 is 27, 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay, how about two numbers that multiply to 6 and add to 7? Okay, now this one's tricky because you might think, well, 3 times 2 is 6, but 3 plus 2 isn't 7. It's not. So we can't use 3 times 2. What else multiplies to 6? Oh, 6 times 1. 6 times 1 is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. So that's our answer. Okay, so the rules are always the same. The two side numbers multiply to the top and add to the bottom.